What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Shoepog 007. Today we have an unboxing video-ish, because I already unboxed it, but for y'all. Unboxing video of the B&T Kh9 Covert. So, upon receiving the package or buying the firearm, you get this gray looking concealable, nice, padded, vented bag from B&T themselves. And you also get a awesome attach that you can Velcro right here. First of all, let's go to the first pouch. We have your congratulations on your purchase. Your instruction manuals is scan and register for warranties on here. And then you have your fixed guard or trigger assembly right here. Inside you also get a polymer B&T flip-up sights. You'll see because I already installed them. And then you also get a side charging handle instead of the round one. You can get a side, you can install a side one from B&T. So that's pretty cool that if you want to change it up or anything like that, if you ever get sick of it, you can customize it already. And then your other tags in here. You also get an amazing made in Italy cleaner, board cleaner, and some brush and everything like that for your, it says made in Italy. Even this is made in Italy for some reason. So that's pretty cool. Copper and everything, or brass cleaning kit. So that's that. Awesome things. I think you usually get that from B&T themselves. So, I mean, you're paying $1,000 for a nice weapon from Switzerland, especially Thun, Switzerland. That's where B&T's from. Inside the bag, you get a little zip up right here, and then you also get some like elastic band to put whatever you want, or you can put your water or your wallet in there. Who cares? Whatever you want. Second pouch is where this handy dandy is. Here is the B&T Kh9 Covert, and let's take the mag out. It is chambered 9mm. So let's review this from butt to tip instead of tip to butt like what Grantham does. So let's make sure it's clear. It is clear. So from the butt, you have a Gearhead Works pistol brace that's mounted on a collapsible brace. And you do get your flip-up sights up top. You have your Picatinny rails up top here, the front as well. Moving down on, you have your to stow the collapsible brace back in. And then you also have ambidextrous safety and fire, and also a decock. Let's see, on top you have your bolt lock. You press that circular thing right up top, and if you want to release it, just pull back, and the bolt will go straight forward. On the other side, the grip, as we come down, you push this and it will collapse back up top. So that's pretty cool, or you can push it out to have it fixed right there. The trigger is very light, so it is a single action right there. You can also make it a double action, which is 13 pounds of trigger pull. Very hard. I mean, I'm not a weak man, but it is very hard. I don't know why we need to do a double action on that, but that's that. Ambidextrous, let's see, ambidextrous magazine release on both ends, right here and right here. Okay, and then we have where you take this part down to stow away your magazine whenever it's in the bag. What's cool about this, it is a 30-round magazine, and you can push it forward so then it stays flush right there. So then you can just throw it into the bag without this popping too far forward. So that's a cool little feature. And then that's about it. I mean, it's a very small covert package, and front flip-ups. What I want to throw on is an optic and a can. You have your tri-lug up in the front. You can throw that. I'm thinking about throwing a B&T SMG M9 up front. To match with this. And then also for the optic, I'm thinking about probably getting a Holosun Ames. So I'm still looking. So yeah, I don't know. I think the Ames Pro X2 will be a great match, but we'll see what happens. What else? I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, you have there is no, I mean, you could throw your slings on here. If not, there's one right here you can throw on with the point. But other than that, I am going to shoot this baby this Saturday, so I'll do a little review. If I have the optic by then, great. If I don't, then I'll be shooting with the iron sights or the flip-up sights, and then we'll gradually go up with the review with each upgrade. So that's that. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.